Hi friends, in this video, we will take a quick look at file handling in Python. When a Python script is executed by the Python interpreter, the built-in input function allows it to accept an input from the user via keyboard, whereas the built-in print function displays the output on the standard output device or screen. This activity, however, has the following disadvantages. It is feasible for small inputs, but cumbersome in case of large inputs. The entire input has to be entered by the user every time the program is executed. And the output generated is not saved for sharing or later use. Just like words can be written on a piece of paper, information can be stored on a computer disk as a named location or a file. Python comes with the inbuilt capability to interact with these files. Through file handling, Python programs can read a file to provide input data and output the results into a file for later use. In the next set of videos, we will go through file handling in detail. So, stay tuned.